with FastCap, and I want to show you an improvement we've made on a very popular product of ours called the Oscar Square. So this is the old Oscar Square. It was made out of wood. This is the new Oscar Square. It's injection molded out of a special wood-like injection molding plastic, but it's way more durable, lasts forever. You can throw this thing in the back of your pickup truck, leave it in a rainstorm, drop it in a puddle on your way in or out of work, no problem, never gonna get damaged. Oscar Square is a great product, helps you assemble square boxes, perfectly square. So take your two panels, take an Oscar Square, you can do it fast and simple with just a quick clamp like this. Just clamp one side, move your panel until you got the edge lined up perfectly. Take your other side, clamp it in place. There you go, perfect 90 degree. And if you want a better hold, you can use a ratcheting clamp like this, or a standard quick clamp like this guy. But you put this together with the Oscar Square, super strong, nothing moves, easy to assemble. They come in a 4-pack, makes assembly really, really fast and easy. Other cool features about these are for storage. You got big rectangle cutouts that actually match 2x4s. You can just hang these all on a 2x4. They also have these holes in them, which are for if you're a Festool or Makita guy, you like those clamps with the rods that go in there, it'll work with that too. So Oscar Square by FastCap. Pick up a 4-pack today. You're gonna love this product. Makes your job so much easier. Even I can build a pretty box with one of these guys.